Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I wanted to share with you the Target August 2018 beauty box. It came in the mail 3 days ago, so it took a little over a week to get here, which has been the case lately. However, I wanted to wait until the mask giveaway ended, which ended last night. I chose the winner and through the random comment generator, and I'll put the picture of that in this video, and then I'll notify the winner as well on that video who won. They have 48 hours to contact me. They have to have followed all the rules, be over 18, be in the United States, and be a follower. And if they can't obey by those rules, then I have a backup winner already chosen. So anyway, good luck to you, and I hope you respond. Anyway, I was going to get into this, but oh, and don't forget, I have a ancestry giveaway going on right now. It's going to go through August, so 3 months, or not August, through November, so 3 months. It's an ancestry DNA kit giveaway. So if you're interested in that, check out my channel and watch the video and get an update on what's going on in my DNA, and hopefully you can be entered to win. So this box comes wrapped in plastic. Okay, I already took the plastic off because I want to make sure what was in here wasn't destroyed. But it went through the ringer. Look at that. And I usually keep these boxes, and I'm not going to keep this one. I think maybe last month or the month before was ruined too. I mean, this was wrapped in plastic and still got tore up. So anyway, but nothing was broken inside, so that was surprising. So it always comes with these boxes generally go live the first Monday of every month. This one happened to, I think the first Monday was like a whole week later, so it went live later than normal. It was $7, so $7.48 for me with tax. It always comes with a coupon for $3 off $15 in beauty products, so you already get $3 back right then and there. And usually the value is pretty good. You get to see what you're getting ahead of time. I put a video, it's the second it went live that I found out about it, I put a video up so you could see what was inside. So again, it's always stuff that you could use. I've checked out the reviews of this, and a lot of the people received damaged boxes, so damaged that it ruined like everything inside. So at least I got away with not getting any damaged products. But here is a Chic Intuition Fab, it says Fab, razor, which is good. I like the Sticks over the Venus lately, so I will be using that for sure. I got a simple, oh, it's kind of smashed, so close though, a simple cleansing wipe, sensitive skin, kind of skin, facial cleansing wipe. No, just, oh yeah, removes waterproof mascara, so that's kind of nice. I don't really use these per se unless I'm on vacation, but because I shower and I wash my face off in the shower, so. And then here is a Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray. Use it on dry hair. Application mist generously onto damp or dry hair. Scrunch and style with fingers to create soft waves. It's really moist out today. We have a, what do you call it? Thunderstorm? Flash flood. Ooh, it smells like you're at the beach putting on sunscreen. It smells really coconutty. Oh, I think I put too much on. So, scrunch. Scrunch, 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 scrunch. So not enough on this side, but too much on that side. It smells so good. My hair is going to be like straw, though. I don't know. Like right there, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Oh well. Okay. Scunch. Oh, I don't know. Ugh, sticky. So it's definitely sticky. I don't know if it's making a beach wave. Like, wouldn't you like, I don't know. My hair looks even worse now. Okay, well, whatever. Maybe for normal people that know how to scrunch their hair, this would work out. So, body lotion, coconut, oh, this is almost open. Eden Body Works body lotion. My hands are so sticky now from that. Let's see. Ooh. This is lucky the lid was off. I'm surprised it didn't leak all over the place. My hands are so sticky from that stuff though. I can't, it smells like coconut because my hands smell like coconut from that other stuff, but I don't know what's going on. I don't even know if I'm supposed to do this. I don't think I've ever put sea salt spray on my hair before. Okay, a Cure Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. Is that for your face, I guess? Avoid contact with the eyes. So yeah, it's a face cream. I've used all types of it's already sealed. So I've used every single thing of a Cure before. Lots and lots of samples, never any complaints about them. So I'm sure I'll like this. And the last little thing in here is a Bliss Fab Foaming 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator with bamboo buffers. So it removes makeup, so it's a face wash. It's almost your whole body. So a face wash by Bliss Fab Foaming. I'm not familiar with that. So face wash, a face brilliantly brightening cream by a Cure, some body lotion by Eden Body Works, and this smells pretty good. This stuff, not your mother's Beach Babe. I don't know, like my hair feels crunchy, and which I guess maybe sea salt spray would do that. But it smells really good, so this would be something I'd probably spray on my hair just to smell it. But I can't say that I don't know what it's supposed to do. You know, is this what I'm supposed to look like? I don't know. I don't know. I've never put something like that on my hair, but now I look like a drowned rat. Oh, these I've used before. I don't know if I've used the sensitive skin one, but these are just fine. And then I'm looking forward to trying this one. I don't think I've tried a Intuition Fab. It says forward. Oh, you can safely. Okay, Fab means forward and back, so you can shave forward and backwards. So that's interesting. That's something new. Oh, okay. I don't know what they had. I guess that's interesting. That's a cool thing. Okay, so that is it, plus the $3 off coupon. So that is the entire box. So thank you guys for watching. The next one should go live the first oh no, I bet you it doesn't. The first the first Monday in September would be Labor Day. So I bet you it will not go live Labor Day. Because usually if it's a holiday, it does not. So it'll probably be the second Monday of September, this box will go live. And it's usually $7. Very rarely is it 10. Usually they have one offering. Rarely they have two. So it's always worth the value. This is definitely worth $7, even though I won't be using this again. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations to the winner. I can't remember her name, but I'll put a picture in here and then I'll notify her. And what else? Let's see. I think that is it. Oh, and then go check out the giveaway video for the Ancestry DNA. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.